Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and this is Hello Christmas. Our hosts are Rustic and Lace DIY and Krista's Crafty Life. Please check out their channel in my description box and the amazing creators in the playlist. Today we're working on 3 Christmas projects. 2 are Santa projects and 1 is a farmhouse project. And I hope you enjoy them. This is the back side of another project I did one other time. So we're going to just make it into Christmas. This is a flag red, apple barrel flag red. And I'll probably do probably 3 coats on it to get it covered well, because that was burgundy and I decided not to do this one burgundy. I'm making this for my dining room. When it dries, I'm going ahead and I'm going to rip our paper that I'm going to decoupage. And it's just a old-fashioned Santa. I'm just ripping the edges off, which I'm the worst at ripping the edges off ever. I've tried to use the water. I failed ripping paper 101, I think. If you too failed ripping paper 101, let me know. So, or am I the only one? Just adding some decoupage. I don't know how far this will need to be. This is our Santa. This is burnt umber, and we're gonna just dry brush it on, so I'm just making some circles to kind of make it so it's not so harsh. Paint this canvas my favorite color. Well, looks like I need to shake it up. Oh, that was a little much. This is a turquoise green. If you notice on my channel, I use this color a lot because this is my favorite color. Okay, we're going to decoupage this frame. Maybe. Make sure to get the edges really well. And now we've already cut our material. We're going to use a candy cane stripe. Break through our canvas. And this one's a little different. I got the canvas at Dollar General. I think I actually like it better. It's a little bit bigger. And it fits our canvas board from Dollar Tree actually better. Here we go. We'll just start rolling it back. I'm gonna have to trim this a little bit. I see. Then I always turn this over after I get these rolled up. And I check and make sure that everything's stuck down. Like I see right here, this didn't stick very well. So I'm going to just run a bead of hot glue to make sure it sticks back in place. Add a little bit here too. Okay, now we have our Santa. And I found him at Walmart. They have some really, really cute Santas for these projects like this. For other projects, they have him. In my Walmart, they were just putting stuff out. They had him in a beautiful, beautiful gold and rustic Santa. So of course I picked the rustic one up because I'm always in Rustic Wednesday. And I'm sure our friends Dawn from Shabby Meets Bling will have a Christmas Rustic Wednesday, so I did pick him up for a future project. They didn't have the stuff that I'd seen other people have at their Walmart. It's a little bit disappointed because ours really didn't have it. Really didn't have all the nice things that everybody's showing. We painted this white, just base painted it white, and here's our stencil. It says Merry Christmas on it. It's gonna have buffalo plaid. And it's going to be, I'm doing it in black. This is gonna be black and white. Okay, I'm still stenciling. Okay. Let's see how this turns out. Hold on, I see a couple places I missed. There we go. We are going to just take our paint pen and smooth out our letters. Let's just make a simple bow. I'm going to start off by dovetailing our ribbon. And this is double-sided, so you don't have to worry about the pinch and twist or anything. Oh, I did it backwards. Okay, we're going to just use our string that's laying here, and we're going to tie this off. We're just tying this off, so our bow is not going to go anywhere. Then we're going to take our two tails and put them in the right direction. Flip this out. I'm going to trim this a little bit. And then I'm going to take, I have these snowflakes. These were from the Dollar Tree last year. And I'm going to just add that to the center. And trim that tail. Do Santa projects. First is the red one on the cutting board. And here is our pink and red one that we did the busted canvas. Next is our simple black and white door hanger. Like I said, you could add a little greenery on each side of that to break up the black and white. But I think it's a pretty farmhouse project.